6 TV. Walk on, brother.
Tap up the screen. Here, Roshan.
What was it? Drizzy.
Guys, when you see what me I watch Walking TV family. And I'm going to show you how to hype up videos. So that means you can hype up my video, you can hype up Drizzy them video, you can hype up Colors them video, you can hype up Bingy General them video, you can hype up Alicia Kim video, you can hype up every single video there is that you feel comfortable hyping up. If you like the content creator, you can hype up the video. One of the reasons for hype up the video is when you hype up the video, you help to push that video far. So guys, look what me go do in this video. Down here, you notice this thing moving? So in the comment section that says comment, if you notice on your right hand side, there's 2, sometimes there's 3. There's 2 dots. What you do is put your finger on the comment section where the dots are, pull it across, just like that. When you do that, you'll see it says hype, and then if you notice it says 1200 hypes. So that's a hype point. Give points to your favorite videos. So guys, look what I'm going to do now. Just watch. You press on the hype and see it goes up. So in other words is when I press whatever number it gives, it moves from what number it was to now it's 1350 hype. So it says leaderboard. So in other words is whenever time you do that to any video, you helping that channel, you helping that creator, and you helping that video. Make you go and watch a little bit more of what I go on.
Drizzy too clever, man.
Yeah, Basil the expert, you know? Yeah. And Johnny, second expert with the goats. So them I go try out one goat or so. See if him active.
Yeah?
Because you don't know we are going to butcher a goat in the end of people. So we want to get him from now. Oh. And Italian Johnny are going to do the badness.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So guys, you see, that's the way to hype up a video and help a channel or help a creator to get more likes, get more support, and you don't know how it go make more money, because everything you see on YouTube is a business and we all are making money. So guys, hype up my videos. I never show you the video just for you go hype up Drizzy video alone. Hype up my video, then you go hype up Drizzy video, then you hype up anybody else video what you want to hype up. So guys, again, big up on yourself, enough respect, and continue to hype up the video them, and continue to thank you very much for the support. You don't know, watch a little bit more and then I'm out.
People Italy in a session now butcher the goat. But we have to eat the goat today. That's what I'm saying.
It's kind of crazy because